Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to unsend messages on Facebook Messenger. So whenever you send the message and say if you messed up and you want to change it, you can go ahead and unsend it and resend it or whatever you're looking to do. Anyhow, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly how to do it. So you're just going to go ahead and open up your Messenger, then go to a chat that you want to remove a message from. And let's just say I want to remove this test message here. I'm just going to long press on the message that says test so it pops up here that you can reply with an emoji. Then you just want to click on more and then click on remove. And then we'll give us two options here, remove for us or unsend. So we'll click unsend. And then it just says right there at the bottom, you unsent a message. Really simple and easy to do. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to unsend messages on Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.